Hello everyone, Daniel here with the E-Bike Journey YouTube channel. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate you. Today I want to bring a bit of a different video here, and I want to get your opinions on this purchase right here that I made. I had bought this 350 watt motor with the entire wheel here, the tire, and this controller for $5 at Traders Village in San Antonio, Texas. Now I want to show you this unit up close, and I want to show you the condition so that way you can drop it in the comments below and let me know if you would have purchased this for $5. Just to confirm, it is 350 watts, as you can see right here. This is the font that's right here, or this is the information. And I'm going to show you this up close. Now, to confirm, this 350 watt motor does work. It is a 9-pin, so I hooked it up to my EB-5 and I gave it some throttle and the gears began to spin right here. So I can confirm that this wheel does work, and it is also hooked up to this controller right here. And you can see there's kind of like spider webs in some areas here. It may have been sitting there for a while, and as you can see there's a bit of damage done right here to this area of the controller. As you see, it kind of is chewed up as if it's scraped on cement or something like that. That's the only prong that I've seen that's damaged. Other than that, all of these other inputs seem pretty sound and in good condition here. And again, let me show you the controller settings right here, or the controller details. So this is the controller again that it came with. This right here hooks up to this part right here, as we would on any other e-bike. And let me show you the wheel, and I'm going to go ahead and tell you some of my goals with this. I'm going to make a project bike with this, and I'm going to record it and put it on my channel for you all, so that way you can see what I do with this. As you can see, there is a bit of rust going on right here. Allow me to zoom in so you can see. Nothing too crazy or too bad. For me, I do feel like this wheel is in fairly good condition. I know it's a bit dusty. I was cleaning up this side a little while ago, so there may be some spider webs on the other side. So this is one side right here. This is the thickness of the wheel, and forgive me for the blurring there on either side, on both sides of there. And we have a disc brake on this side, as you see. And I want to let you all really look at this unit up close. This is a 16-inch wheel. As you can see, it's 16 times 2.125. That is the size of this tire. I did notice there was a little nick right here, as if someone got maybe curb checked right here. In this area, as you can see, it's kind of unaligned. So if there is a loss of air, or if I'm experiencing loss of air from this tire right here over time, I may go ahead and just use some flat out or figure out another way to kind of seal this area up right here. But all in all though, it does seem like a solid good buy in my opinion. I really want to know some more information, and I want to know y'all's opinions on this right here. Do you think that this was worth $5? And if it was, would you have purchased it? Drop that in the comment section below so I can hear your opinions and some thoughts. And as you see here, I'm just simply cleaning this up. I'm not really too worried about all of the dust and everything. I feel like we can probably paint this easily should we choose to do so. But for me, I really can't find anything that I'm not too happy with about it besides this little bump right here. And maybe even we can probably even maybe hammer that back a little bit. I probably won't do that because I don't want to hit the frame and damage the motor's insides here. So I may just end up leaving it like so, and maybe using some flat out or another sealant right here to go ahead and really seal this area. But it's not too bad, as you see. I don't really think that this would be an issue. And again, I'm showing you all up close so you can give me more information. Maybe you all are seeing something that I am missing, but it's not too bad, I feel. It kind of looks as though maybe someone, when they were trying to put tires on, may have used a tool and maybe damaged this. I'm not too sure. I can't really say, as I wasn't the original owner. But again, for $5, it is working, it is kicking. It is a 350 watt motor, which is 100 watts stronger than my EB-5. I do not have any plans to put this on the EB-5, as the EB-5 is a 14-inch tire. This is 16, so it's not going to fit. However, I am going to make a project bike with this unit right here. so that way we can get more familiar with building e-bikes as well. And let me take this wire out and show you. But other than that, everything seems like it's in good condition. This wire is holding up strong right here. This right here is coming a little bit loose, but I wonder if I get some electrical tape and kind of tape it all the way around, if that may actually help. And here are the inputs right here. Nine pin there. But yeah, all in all, for me, I'm pretty happy with this purchase. Now, I don't know if, if it was actually worth $5. I'm not even entirely sure if I'm going to be able to actually complete the bike. However, I'm very excited to go ahead and get into it, begin the build. I'm actually going to go ahead and look into some throttles, maybe even a new controller. I'm not too sure. I may just use this one. I haven't gotten that far, but right now, one step at a time. What are your opinions on this? Would you have purchased this? Would you have spent $5 on this 350 watt motor right here? Drop it in the comment section down below. If you have any questions at all, please drop them in the comment section down below, and I'm going to do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. I also have social medias. I have Instagram and TikTok, all under this name, E-Bike Journey. Go ahead and look me up. I would truly appreciate the support on there as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and ring that bell, as I'm going to bring more videos like this. Thank you all for tuning in. You have a great day.